Hello my viewers and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Performance 20V cordless angle grinder, the model PPWSA 20LIA1. It is the newest model, bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Compatible with all X20V Team series rechargeable batteries. Brushless motor, extra durable and powerful with less wear and tear. Up to 49% faster cutting speed on flat steel, up to 23% faster cutting speed on tiles, and 10 times longer motor lifespan. With a no load rotation speed from 3400 to 10,000 RPM, cutting disc for metal the regular diameter 125 mm, holder M14 with a 5 years warranty, a huge warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside on a black and red case. Included we have the manual and only the tool with one disc. Quite heavy, I like it. And of course you can use the professional 8 Ah battery. You can have it just like that. You can use the 4 Ah professional battery, or you can use the 4.5 amps fast charger, or you can use the regular charger, 2.4 amps. If you want my opinion, use the regular charger more often. And if you have a higher demand on battery power, then use the fast charger. It will charge your battery faster. Nice grip. The handle, soft elements around, and here, I like it. The chuck key on this storage area, very convenient. Nice. On a black and gray color. Ventilation here around. Here we have the speed adjustment from 1 to 6. Later I will show you. The on-off switch, and it locks. The handle, you can install it on 3 different positions. Here, or another one here. It is your choice. Here it is the attachment and guard cover. And of course, and the metal guard cover, you can adjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different positions. And you can do small adjustments. I like it. And of course, if you want, you can just pull this black cover and remove it. There it is. Another measurement of protection. And of course here we have the 125 mm disc. Parkside Performance for metals. The bracket, keyless chuck. Here we have the spindle lock. Now it locks. And of course, keyless chuck. You can remove the chuck, the disc, and replace the disc. And if you want, you can remove the guards, remove these 2 screws, but honestly don't remove the guard. It is for your safety. And of course, you can use the key if that is necessary. Tight it with your hand and then with the key. Perfect. I just love it how it looks. Now it is 20 volt. Definitely I would like to check the power when it's cutting a metal, if it will stuck in the middle of the process cutting the metal. Parkside performance metal. And again we can install the plastic guard. And it locks. Then you can adjust. Highly adjustable. At this angle to this angle. Fully charge it. I will use the 8 ampere hours, yeah, why not? Wow, now it is heavier. Adjusting the speed. It takes a few seconds to fully stop. Okay, so let's move on for testing. What impressed me most is the cordless freedom, the solid build quality and the power available for tackling a wide variety of workshop and DIY tasks. If you are fed up with standard cordless grinders losing power the moment you apply pressure to thick steel, this upgraded performance model will make a world of difference. Its brushless motor provides incredible, continuous torque, giving you the same performance as a corded tool but with the freedom to move around your project or work outside. It's rugged and beautifully balanced and is easily one of the best value power tools on the market today. Only 35 euros. If you found this review helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more tool reviews, workshop projects and hands-on testing. Thanks for watching. Remember to work safely and build with confidence. I'll see you in the next one.